How y'all doing? Once again, it's your boy Jay Ville, CEO of INC Tutoring, ready to complete a third problem here for you for rational expressions on multiplying and dividing. We went through a couple things already to get you going. Alright? We should be able to breeze through this problem real smooth, nice and easy, and complete this problem in about 2 minutes. Okay? Let's move forward. So now, up front, what can you tell me about this problem? I have these three terms and these three terms in the bottom, top and bottom. One of these terms looks like the other one on the upstairs and the downstairs, right? If you look carefully, you get z plus 5 and z plus 5. What can we do with those? Boom, cancel them out. All right? Cancel those guys out. What are we left with, folks? Oh, we're left with 2z times z squared plus 2z minus 8 over z minus 1 and z minus 2. Now, you're going to be asking yourself, what happens now? Well, what happens now is I need to factor the trinomial in the numerator. That's what happens, okay? So with that being said, I have 8 here. I need to get 2 in the middle. So I got 1 and 1 over here. I got the factors of 8 are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. It works. Excuse me, it works. And I can get there. So here we go. My result here is going to be 2z times, I do 2 binomials. We know it's z squared, so it's going to be z on both places here. A plus and a minus. So let's say I do z plus 4 right here, z minus 2 right here. When I foil that, I do z squared plus 4z minus 2z. Negative times a positive is a negative. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Now what do we do? I'm going to tell you right now. Alright? Over z minus 1, z minus 2. Now once again, something looks common, folks. On the top and bottom, as you guessed it, the z minus 2's go out. My final answer then is going to be 2z times z plus 4 all over z minus 1. Checkmate. That's our answer. Finally, what value makes the rational expression undefined? 0 in denominator. Well, you got z minus 1 here. You got to solve for. You got to make it an equation and solve for it. So I'm going to take it to the side. Put z minus 1 here equals 0. We're going to add 1 on both sides. Cancel and drop. Z equals 1. The function is undefined at value z equals 1. So z cannot equal 1 here. Z cannot equal 1. Lastly, if I can cancel anything on the numerator and denominator, that's called a what? Hole in the graph. There is a hole in the graph. Solve for z minus 2 where you cancel it out right here. Equals 0. We're going to add 2 to both sides. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. Cancel and drop it like it's hot. We get z equals 2. This, my friends, is where there is a hole in the graph. Alright? This is the problem. You can feel free to push pause when you want to and take notes. These are going to be going up on YouTube. I'll be doing classes like this through the summer, completing whole classes of Algebra 1, Algebra 2, pre-calculus, geometry, whatever you need, okay? Science as well, test preparations as well. I got your back, okay? Hit me up, www.inctutoring.com, okay? 682-777-8213. Hit us up on Facebook at It's Not Complicated, okay? YouTube channel, all right? Instagram, or on Twitter at INC Tutoring. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Hope you learned something. I'll see you next time.